Do you want to create AI video with WAN 2.5 but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I believe you are doing great. I am also fine as well. In this video, I will tell you how you can create free AI videos with WAN 2.5 with few simple steps. So let's start the video. First of all, open your computer browser, then search WAN 2.5 and you will see the first website. Open this website in new tab. Then you will see this kind of interface and you will see try now option. Click on try now. Then you will see this kind of page. Click on login. Then you will see this kind of page. Click on sign up. Now you have to fill your email address and your password to sign up. After entering your email and password, click on continue. Then you will receive a code on your email ID. So go to your email. Copy the code and paste code in this box and click on continue, and that's it. Your account has been created, but your credits are 0, so click on check in, then click on video, and then you will see this kind of page. Over here you will see that 2.5 on is selected. Click on the image and upload image from your PC. I am selecting the image right now. I think this image is good for making the video. Here we go. After uploading the image, enter your prompt. You can use ChatGPT as well to create prompt, but currently I am using simple text to create the video. Let's see what kind of result this WAN 2.5 give us in the video. So here is my text. Now hit enter and processing will start. Here we go. So video is in process. It will take some time to generate the video. So friends, video is generated. Now I'm playing the video and you can see the quality of the video is very good. So friends, this is how you can generate AI videos with WAN 2.5. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell as well for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Take care.